What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. You want to add a smart LED floodlight bulb? Well, who doesn't? It's been a dream of mine ever since I was a kid. So I picked this up by HomeBrite smart LED bulb. I'm not actually sure even how to get this thing open. Oh, there we go. Got an Amazon warehouse that said it was new reboxed or something like that. So what I need is an outdoor floodlight bulb. And I don't know about you, but in my house, there's like a wall of switches and I can never figure out what switch goes to what light. And I thought, man, it'd be nice if it were just a smart bulb and I could just do it from my phone, right? And so what we have here is a bulb that looks just like any other floodlight bulb. I mean, even this outside, you know, they've kind of got that fused glass look. That's what it looks like. Standard base. LED in there. You can see all the little dimples are all on the underside of the lens here, curved lens. Seems about the same size as any other floodlight bulb. So now, let's see if we can get this connected and use it. I think it says, in-home use only, so use it only indoors, warm white, and a run for 25,000 hours. So let's download the app and take a look. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is download this HomeBrite app, and that should launch. And you're going to need to register, so you'll want to do that. And now that I'm in, I'm going to add a device. So I'm actually screwing the light bulb into a socket here first. It's scanning for mesh, scanning for bulbs. Oh, look at that, it found the bulb. Now I am pretty close to the bulb. And looks like now we have light bulb 1. All right, so I'm tapping the button. And it's going on and off like you might expect, which is pretty awesome. Now it looks like there's a wheel here. And looks like if I drag my finger up and down, kind of around the outside, well, I can change the intensity. That's pretty cool. I think number 1 or 100% is probably where I want to be. 100% is probably where I want to be. And then I think I can add this to a group, say like back porch. Pretty cool. And in the list view here, I can change the brightness, and I can also hit the power button. Now I will say this app isn't particularly advanced. The UI on it is not awesome, but it does work and it's pretty inexpensive. So if you want to pick up this HomeBrite smart LED bulb, I would definitely recommend checking it out. Peter von Panda out.